God's beautiful country. Woo! Every morning I start my beautiful day off with these beautiful doggies. What's up, big bowler? This boy barely eats a cup of food a day for some reason. And somehow he's like a mastiveness. I don't know what his problem is with eating. Why he doesn't like give him raw diet, fresh eggs. He might not like the cinnamon. Well, I didn't put no cinnamon this morning, so we tested it out. Ain't that right, big boy? Ain't that right, you big old honkity donkity doo? You a big old beast of a dog. He loves to play ball too.